Muhammad Ali was Geo Fraser won the fight of the century is my favorite fight. In Smoton, Geo Fraser was Muhammad Ali won belt as the fight of the century. Geo Fraser looked to defend his heavy-fight title against the man who never lose in the ring, Muhammad Ali, to decide who is the true champion. This was Ali tight fight is comeback after has 3 years. Oh my god, banned from boxing. Yeah, he defended Jerry Query and Oscar Bronsia by stopping has refused to vote. Who were top ranked on the boxing? Who also both lost Fraser.
Shot fighter when you can't get off punches.
A down goes Bova. That's all it took, one shot.
Jackson being cautioned for the moment by Marty Dakin for hitting behind the